Critical thinking. Know when to use technology in your classroom. Let's think critically. Be curious, research, analyze, synthesize, take action, and reflect. First of all, be curious. The fact that you've made it this far means that you are curious, or you were forced to be here. Whichever one it is, just stick with me, and I hope you'll gain something from this. Being curious means a willingness to explore with open-mindedness, so let's go on this journey together. Research. Ask yourself these questions. Would instant feedback or engagement be helpful to the lesson? Would the use of technology help increase student participation when they otherwise wouldn't? Is there an easy-to-use app that would support or enhance the lesson? Would the use of technology automate a lot of your tedious tasks? Does the use of technology mirror the same use in a real-world situation? Does the technology have the potential to be distracting? Would students gain more beneficial knowledge from using the technology or simple group interaction? Could there be a high degree of cheating when using the technology? Would all students have access to the technology in the same way? Yes, that is a flip phone in that picture. Are the students adequately prepared to find credible sources? Are you willing to take the extra time to set up the technology? Analyze, just some ideas to try. Make a pros and cons list based on the research. Consider the standards for teaching and learning, especially for technology use, the ISTE, the TPAC, you name it. Consider the pedagogy. Get feedback from other teachers. Consult your techie. Synthesize. So you've made the decision to use technology. Good for you. Apply the standards as needed. By the way, this is my ISTE standard for this presentation. Use the technology in a way that helps students process information and learn. Map out your plan. And then, of course, take action. Just do it already. I understand it may be tough and out of your comfort zone, but taking a risk will improve the learning even if it doesn't succeed the first time. And of course, reflect. It's hardly ever perfect the first time, and teaching is all about learning for the students and you. In any case, you should always be asking yourself, how could it be better? So let's use technology the right way. And here are the references, the ideas where I got these from. So references, images 1, 2, 3, and 4.